So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a portrait of two people. You pick two people and there'll be two types of female and male. Pick your skin tone, outfit, eyewear, hair color, and a bunch of hairstyles appear. You can pick your favorite and you can choose headwear as well if you like. Then you can go back to the second tab. For now it's male, there may be more in the future. And again, pick your outfit, eyewear or not. Then pick your hair color. And there's hairstyles again. Try out each one, and males get an option of facial hair. And you can also add your own text. Great for art prints or greeting cards. And lastly, you can pick a size and then just add to cart. In your shopping cart, you can also see a preview. It has a watermark over it, but your end product will, of course, not have the watermark over it. And that's it.